Hello friends, it's me again. But this time I'm not going to show any game. I've decided that I'm going to start showing you Python tutorials. So these are for beginners who just want to start learning Python. So before we start that, what is Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It is used for web development, software development, mathematics, system scripting, and etc. What can Python do? Python can be used on a server to create web applications. It can be used alongside software to create workflow. Python can be used to connect to database system. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production-ready software development. Now, these are all just extra points. Okay, so why Python? Python works on different platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python has a syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Like in Java, you I don't know Java, but what I've heard is that you will have to write a lot of lines of code to execute it. But in Python, to just print, you can just say um, in Python, you can just say print hello world. See, just one line of code. Anyways, these are all just extra points. If you want, you can read them for 2 minutes. Okay, now let's start beginning with our stuff. Okay, first of all, you can to get started, you can actually first you need to download the Python org. So first you go to Google. You can say www.python.org. I can't be reached. Okay, here you can go to downloads. Download for Windows Python 3.85, 3.8.5. You download this first. Then you can open command prompt and first type Python and it'll enter. Then you can start writing your code. If 3 is greater than 2, then 2 present pop else present something. Okay, so that's how you do it. Basically, that is how you download the Python. Okay, after that, Python version you can check. You can you have to create a file extension. You can do all that. Okay, let us start writing our code. Okay, Python. In Python, you can say print. So in Python, you are to execute a line of code. Suppose you want it to say something like you are an amazing boy. Suppose you want to say that, you just have to say print in brackets. So the syntax is very important. My preference is for you to take out a book and take notes. Double quotations 2 times, and in between type whatever you want. You are good at Python, something like this. So it will say you are good at Python. Okay. This is the print statement, which is very important. So after you can say print, and yeah. And whenever you're done, you can just say exit brackets, close brackets immediately, and it will exit. Again, Python print hello world. Okay, and then exit. This is running it on a command line. But if you want to run it on an IDE, now an IDE is I forgot the full form of an IDE. Let's check IDE. Oh, come on. Integrated Development Environment. So IDE is Integrated Development Environment. So instead of using the command line, which is really tough to write a lot of code, if you just go to okay, I want you my preference for an IDE is to go first to Google and say download Atom editor. Okay, this is really good for Python. Atom, download now. You do that, it will come and you will get this IDE. This is a really helpful IDE. It's really nice. Also, one more good thing about this is it will give you an option. It will you don't have to press the brackets 2 times or the quotations 2 times. It will come on its own. See, I just press it once and it's come. And if you want to say hello world, suppose hello world, okay, that I will teach you in the next tutorial. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Also, if you know anyone who's really interested in learning Python, either they can look at my YouTube channel or they can go to this website W3 Schools and go to Python. Just getting Python, start learning Python now. It's really helpful. Thank you.